So this is my first. Hi guys. So this is my first video of my channel. So I am going to tell you. This is a video about Clash of Clans. I am going to tell you attack strategy for Town Hall 8. In this attack strategy, we use 12 archers, 5 wall breakers, 12 wizards, 1 P.E.K.K.A, 1 Hog Rider, 5 Valkyries, and 2 golems. And in spells, 2 heal spell, 1 raise spell and 1 poison spell. In CC, you have to use 1 archer and 1 bowler. You can use goblin, barbarian, whatever you want. I doesn't mind. But you can use in this attack strategy free spell. Now you will say free spell. I will tell you. I will tell you now only that if while attacking, suppose there would be a problem, all the defense would be attacking to your main troops that are example Valkyries. So at that time put them inside. Otherwise you're getting max bowlers, then it is good. But try to take bowlers only in Clan Cluster. So I'm going to show you a 3-star replay of this. Look, I've done 2 to 3 stars in a row. See, this was the base. First I used my Hog Rider to take out the Clan Cluster. He was having loons, so for taking out his loons. And at that time, see, while this, see, I put archer on the corner so that they will come here, and I put the poison spell here. Now see, what do you think? I have put my wizards. I use my all of the archers because wizards are main for funneling. Otherwise you can use 4 wizards also for taking out them. I will show you. Look, I use all my archers for taking out the loons, and from backside I put 4 wizards. And at this case, this can happen very few times. So put 2 golems so that it will be funneled, and I done funnel with it. Now see, then I break this wall. When this wall was break, I put my Valkyries. I test the 1 Valkyrie. When it attacked there, I put my all the Barbarian King, P.E.K.K.A and ballers. Whenever the ballers will go inside the core, if there is lots of defensive damaging to it, then you must drop a heal spell under there. And max ballers under rage spell. All the base wind up like this. In few seconds, you can see at my ballers. Means they get mad. And Valkyries, they also do some work. So for there, my baller's health was going, so that I deploy heal spell here. And in this attack strategy, this cannon kill my P.E.K.K.A, so I take revenge of it with deploying 3 wizards. I was very angry at that time. And you can see, and of half side of the base, baller will stay at the end. And I was having ability of king. And I doesn't see this builders at the corner. You doesn't make that mistake. Now see. And at this time I see, while going, and this giant bomb. I was so angry of that giant bomb. And my Barbarian King take out this. Now you can see, now this was going, but here there was a golem. Till starting of the attack from till the end, he was breaking this wall only, but still he was not able to break the wall. I was very angry at this time. And see, 3-star. Now I will show you second replay. This is about this attack strategy also. See, This attack strategy can be used for pushing, of course for pushing. This is main attack strategy for pushing. Now see, I use one Hog Rider for taking out the CC troops. There was nothing, so I get little bit. I was worried that it was level 7 clan, so I get worried. And from backside I start doing my attack, because from backside I think that I will get more percent. So I feel, and you can see my half of the Valkyrie was going out of the core after the attack. I didn't think that this is this one. Yeah, I think no. Yes. Look at my Valkyries. They wind up. Now who think only 2 of them are remaining, and this much base we have to take out with only 3 Valkyries and 12 wizards and 3 wall breakers. How it is possible? Now see how strong is this attack strategy. I tried to save my Valkyrie but didn't. But she does very much good work for me. Now see, this all attack was about P.E.K.K.A only. Now see how P.E.K.K.A will do this 3-star. When the P.E.K.K.A come out of the core, I tried to put him inside the core. That I said, you doesn't do worry, P.E.K.K.A. Wizards are there, they will take care. And then I put the king and I start deploying. Like that, you have to spam them of outer core. What do you think? And look, Mortar was taken down, and who think that it was a 3-star? No, I also doesn't feel that it will be a 3-star, but I think that there will be a time fail, because I doesn't think, and my all the Valkyrie was not there, so I get worried that it will be a 3-star or not. And this also stupid golem. In last attack also he was breaking the wall, and in this attack also. I doesn't know what is about this. Okay, then let's see. Only my wizards, these 2 wizards, done all of the work. They take out the town hall. Now see, there comes a giant bomb. I think what will happen now? Now look, 99%. But still this stupid golem is doing same thing. See, it is a 3-star. Who think that it was a 3-star with this much troops? Look, my all the Valkyries had taken this core. This all the attack was about Valkyrie only. If your Valkyries are dead, don't worry, because your wizards and P.E.K.K.A will be alive, and golem of course. In all attack, A to Z attack, my all the attack in it, my golems were alive. So I need to wind up the session, but I will tell you announcement that tomorrow there is our clan war with LGT name clan, and it is having very much. Now I am going to attack on this Town Hall 11 and him. Who think that now see it at this Town Hall 11. I am going to do attack on him. If no one do attack on him, I am going to do attack. I'm going to do. Okay, so that is for this video. Okay, goodbye.